Behold, my new creation, I ever made it. That was in my head for a very long time. Ladies and gentlemen, behold my amazing creation I call scalious. It comes like from Ratchet Clank into Nexxus. Give him like lots of teeth like a raptor. Oh, hold on a second. Wait a second. Okay, now it's finished. Let's do his teeth right there. I'm just gonna show you in there maybe like almost 2 minutes of this video of his laser sharp teeth. Sure, you look like those nethers. There's from that game I just told you about. You got like laser sharp jaws, sharp teeth like one of those raptors or alligators. Nathan sharp snout, and those pink wavy cracks all over its face. And his eyes are a little bluish color. He's giving like those spike waves on his backside like a raptor. Short tail. And make it all long and pretty. And just give it all a big round stomach. I had to do the entire body look like he's made out of electricity. But he's not truly evil. You know, he looks like that. He's kind of the good guys that wants to save the world and protect the world from a giant meteor. Since he's actually intelligently smart, might be creatively smarter. You know, you think he looks scary looking, looks terrifying, but believe me, he's not all as bad as what he seems. On the inside, he's a big softy. Sure, he looks like he's terrifying, but he does build a strange device to save all their planets. Sure, he looks like that. Sure, he ain't wearing clothes, but he's not truly super evil. He doesn't let him join like the nethers like the other ones are. That's all I can say for now. And I did that thing that's angry underneath his chin. Take out his tongue like that. It's almost like blue from Jurassic World. He just don't want to be messed with. He just wants to see the world the way it is. He might look different, but he wants to save the planet from total destruction. I mean, his design looked incredibly cool looking, don't you think? Anyways, that's all I can say for now. Sorry I did like plainly blue background. I'm kind of in a hurry to do this before this New Year's Eve ends. So, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye for now.